Hello guys. So basically today I just want us to do a box and whisker diagram, right? So now these are the questions and this is what I want you to understand. So this video is actually for grade 11, grade 10 and grade 12, but the last question is actually for grade 11 and 12, okay? Yeah. So now this diagram, it's called a box and whisker diagram. Now, the first question says write down the 5-number summary, right? Whenever a question says write down the 5-number summary, this is what you're expected to do. So as for A, but write down the 5-number summary. So this is what you're expected to do. Mabe 5-number summary. 1, you write the minimum is equals to. 2, you write the Q1 is equals to. 3, you write again Q2. 4, you write Q3. And then 5, you write the maximum. Now listen to me. What do they want? They want the 5-number summary. Because they want the 5-number summary, that means now where you should write 5 things. Okay, so the I'm sure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it becomes then the 5-number summary. Now, now at this point, this is your minimum. Do you understand? So 4 is your minimum. And then here, the first line going up, that is your Q1. That becomes 39. And then the second line going up, that is 68. That is your Q2. The third line going up, that is your Q3, which is 105. And then the last line going up, which is 171, that should be your maximum. And like that, your full 4 marks. Now let us go to question B. Now question B says write down the percentage. But saying write down the percentage of 105 or more. Now from 4 to 39, that is 25%. From 39 to 68, that is 25%. Uviwe, please close the door for me. And then from 68 to 105, again, that is 25%. And then from 105 to 171, that is also 25%. Then pin the foot. From 04 to 39, 25. 39 to 68, 25. 68 to 105, 25. 105 to 171, again, 25. Now, they want the percentage of 105 or more. Up 105, so this is 105. Now, or more. So we want the percentage of 105 or more. Now that becomes 25%. So actually, answer B would be 25%, right? You'll just let me know in the comments if you didn't understand that. Right, C. Now let's write down the range. How do you write down the range? Your range is equal to your maximum minus your minimum. What is a maximum? In number is a cleaning. What is your minimum? In number is a cleaning. So unoban 171. I'm sure it's your maximum 171 minus your minimum, which is 4, which is 4. And then now you get to 167. Then your range becomes 167. Another 2 marks. Last but not least, it is question D. D says now write down the interquartile range. So now your interquartile range will be equal to now Q number 1, Q3 minus Q number 1. Now we have 39, that is Q number 1. 68, that becomes Q number 2. 105, that becomes Q number 3. 39 is Q1, 68 is Q2, 105 is Q3. So Q3 then becomes 105 minus Q1, which is then 39. Right, then you get your answer. So this is how you do your interquartile range. Other than that, thank you guys.